Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, I am giving you quick demonstration how to customize the Safari browser in Mac operating system. Same process you can do in Windows or Linux operating system, but it's need to install Safari browser. So how to customize the Safari browser? So let's start as a demonstration. Before start the demonstration, please subscribe our YouTube channel. So first of all, open your Safari browser and just enter the view tab, and some here two options are there: customize toolbar and customize touch bar. So I click here and select here and put it here. Share options, show and hidden, start page, home page, history, sidebar, bookmark, autofill. So many options are available here. You can add as a which types of browser you need, and then daily purpose, how many pages you are accessing or how many shortcuts you are needing for the daily purpose, or small chunk of timing purpose you can apply time to time. So that one is an amazing features for you. You can customize your Safari browser and enjoy this particular features in the Mac operating system. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rock and press the bell icon. You don't miss upcoming videos. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.